This delicious, sugar-free drink is a nutritional powerhouse. It is tasty and filled with healing power due to its impressive vitamins and minerals. The following ingredients will make enough for 2 days or 2 large 24-ounce drinks. Use organic produce if available. The recipe includes 2 whole bunches of celery, 3 cucumbers, 1/2 bunch of parsley, 2 lemons, and a 2-inch hunk of fresh ginger. Blend in a vegetable juicer. To transform into a smoothie, blend 1 whole organic avocado with 8 ounces of this juice. Here are the impressive health benefits of this sugar-free green drink. It promotes heart health. It regulates blood pressure. It improves kidney health. It improves vision. It improves digestion. It aids in weight management, is filling. It improves memory, manages blood sugar, improves immunity, alleviates PMS symptoms, reduces pain, reduces cancer risk, promotes healthy skin, aids bowel function, fights bacteria, improves hair quality, and is rich in vitamin C, vitamin A, potassium, and B6. This amazing sugar-free green drink supplies the vital building blocks that our bodies require for energy, focus, and the prevention of disease. Remember, God has given us everything we need for life and godliness. And if this video has blessed you, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone you love. God bless you.